Hey everyone, welcome back to the Ivan into the crypto first. So today we will talk about the XRP, Ethena, and also the Trump USD. XRP, I have the special update. XRP, you can see that the XRP will go to treasury vehicle on the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq you can buy XRP under the ticker XRPN. So this is the very good fundamental because the XRP ETF gonna be going to the Nasdaq. Okay, you can read this. I already summarized for you, and then we will talk about the later. So this is the XRP catalyst setter for the August and the September because the institutional demand is coming. XRP ETF already surpassed 108 million US dollar money inflow. And besides that, XRP will launch the stablecoin about the RLUSD in here, you can see. Okay, and then before we talk about the fundamental, of course, the technical analysis is very important. Okay, first of all, you can see this is the weekly candle of the XRP, and I want to remind you currently we are retesting about the critical point in here. So the critical point in here is the moving average, exponential, 50, and 100. So you can see we retest in this level. And then if we succeed to retest in this level, the price gonna be go up. Okay, and that's the important. Okay, so let's see about the more technical analysis. You can draw the XRP. Okay, let's start. Okay, from this top to this bottom. Okay, and after you go to this bottom, you can see that we are retesting about some critical area in here. Okay, if you zoom out, look. So you have the critical point in here exactly at 0.5 Fibonacci, and then the 0.8 the Fibonacci in here. So we are retesting like this one, and then before the price is going up. So I expect that the price may be a bit lower. So retesting this area, and then the price is going up again. Okay, so this is the sum, the fundamental, we are still waiting. And besides that, the moving average also going down in here. Okay, so we are waiting the moving average MACD in here also go down. The price is a small correction because before the price is going to up again. Okay, so if you still have a question about the fundamental and technical, you can put in the comment section. And the next. Okay, so before going to this one, I always want to remind you, look, the XRP. So if you compare about the Doge, Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum, you can see that the Doge is only pumped in around in this early 2025, but after that the Doge is going down again. But again, looks the XRP. The XRP now is overlapping the Ethereum. Look, the Ethereum from the number 2 in here and become the number 3. Why? Because the XRP is going to number 2 from the Google trend. So the institution, the people is FOMO to buy XRP. Okay, this is the very good fundamental, the solid fundamental. And the next, how about the XRP about the Wall Street? Okay, so the XRP in here, you can see that the Wall Street is going into the altcoin XRP, Solana, HYPE winning. Okay, and in here you can see that the XRP offer the exposure of the payment settlement narrative, Solana the smart contract, and hyper liquid leverage position and decentralized trading space. Okay, so I think this is the use case for the XRP about the exposure of the payment settlement. And the next is about the, you can see the Ripple. So the XRP, you can see in here that the Australian lawyer in here flagged that the XRP is coming, and you can see the portfolio weight is almost 5% about the Bill Morgan. So this is one of the crypto yeah, influential in here about the investment, and you can see that the Ripple monthly escrow release up to 1 billion for the XRP, okay, in here, and it's almost increased each month release the escrow. So Ripple has historically 80% of the monthly release. And then the Clarity Act is one of the big, because the regulation of the Clarity Act is established, and then XRP is go up again. Okay, and the last one, you can see that the XRP Ripple on the chain activity is increased 42% in the past 7 days in the CoinGecko. Also, the XRP Ledger increased 35%. Okay, so from 26,000 in July, it's become 35,700 in the 1 month. So it's a very, very good fundamental for the XRP. Okay, and maybe you can ask, oh, look, the Trump USD, it's also increased 12% today. You can check to my previous video. I already told you about the Trump USD. So the Trump USD gonna be blow up, because why? Trump is pro about the crypto, Donald Trump. So the coin of the Donald Trump in here, it's bring the very good fundamental because the hype. And look, the Trump USD already passed the bearish. Okay, so this is the bearish time about the Trump USD. Let's see. Look, the Fibonacci in here, the Trump USD always go down, and then the Trump USD is going up, and we just break this support. Okay, and this is very important because in here the price is going down, in here the price is going down, in here also the price is going down. Look, but in here, look, this is about the critical point. We break up in here and the price is going up. Okay, that's why look about this support. Okay, and the price is going up again and again. My target, yeah, for the Trump USD. Look, we still have the long to go, and again, my biggest plan for the Trump USD. Wait, let's draw it. So the Fibonacci, let's draw from here to here. So our first target about the Trump USD is back to the $6.4, and the next is $10. This is the very ideal and optimistic target. Okay, and then how about the incremental? So from this level back to this, we have 260% growth. So you still have a room to buy, and let's wait the price to pump. And the last one, you can see that this is have the strong resistance around this. That's why we need to retest this resistance in here, and also to match with the harmonic Fibonacci retracement 0.5 at $10 USD. Okay, and the next, what about the ENA, the ETHINA? The ETHINA is the very good because the double bottom. So you can see this is the double bottom ETHINA. Look, the first one I will draw about the Fibonacci in here. So we already hit this level. Okay, 1.68 I mean, and then the price is pump. And now the question is, you can see, right, the double bottom. So this is the double bottom. Let's draw. Okay, look, this is the double bottom, and then the price is going up. We are retesting in here, and then boom, the price is going up. Okay, for the next target for the ENA, look, so you can draw like this level and then they copy. So the double bottom gonna be bring to the next price, and you have 100% incremental. And then if you want to draw the ENA in here, look, you have the strong resistance. That's why I'm very optimistic about the double bottom for the ETINA. Okay, and if you're asking how about the ETENA compared to the XRP, let's draw XRP USD divided by ENA USD in here. You can enter, look. So this is the price. I will put the notes. If chart going up, then buy XRP is better than ETHENA. Wait, let me put in here. Okay, so this is the key. If the price is going up, then buy XRP is better than ENA. And the vice versa. If chart going down, then buy ETHENA is better than XRP in here. Okay, so because the XRP is divided by the ENA, so the question is, look, if you draw the Fibonacci from here to here, look, we already hit this top. Okay, and what about the different? Okay, let's draw like this one. I put it from the top in here, so the top, and you are going to the bottom like this one. So the N already hit what? Look, 0.5. So this is the support, and then I'm expected the price is going up. That's why I'm choosing that the buy XRP is still better. Look, so buy XRP is still better. Why? Because the price from this comparison is going to up. Okay, okay, I think that's for today. And if you have a question, just let me just tell to comment, and I will reply in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching.